Hey Xsens users, this tutorial will show you how to reprocess and export files using the MotionCloud integration for MVN 2021.2 and above. First, sign in to the MotionCloud by going to MotionCloud on the toolbar and click Sign In. Alternatively, you may enable the MotionCloud toolbar here and then click Xsens MotionCloud profile on the right. A window will open in your internet browser asking you to enter your credentials. Sign in and then choose either Send Code or Call Me. After completing the authentication, you should receive this message here. We can now close this window. Back in MVN, this Xsens MotionCloud window will now be visible. To reprocess an MVN file in the MotionCloud, open your MVN file and go to MotionCloud HD Processing Reprocess File. Click Reprocess and your file will first begin to upload to the cloud and can be tracked here. When done, your file will appear in the MVN Files tab. Under State, we can see that the file is now processing. You will receive an email confirmation when the file is finished processing. If the state does not immediately update in the MotionCloud window, you may click this button here to refresh the list. To see the results of the HD processing, select the file and click on this folder icon here. This will download the file to a local directory, after which the file will open in MVN. To export the file, first select the file in the MotionCloud window. If you have multiple files to export, you can use Ctrl or Shift to select more than one. Then click on this icon here. Alternatively, since the file is already open in MVN, we can go to MotionCloud Export to have multiple options for exporting. You can choose to export the file currently open in MVN, export a selection of this file, export all open files, or batch export files from a specified folder on your computer. Note that this method will automatically HD reprocess a file before exporting it if the file has not yet been processed. For both methods of exporting, you will be able to set your desired export settings. When ready, click Export. Like before, you will receive an email confirmation when your file is done exporting. To download your file, select your file or, like before, use Ctrl or Shift to select multiple, and then click on this folder icon here. Specify which folder you would like the files to download to, and click Select Folder. Your files will immediately begin downloading and again can be tracked here. Once finished, your files are ready to be imported to other software. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.